Ever looked at TradingView and wondered, is this just a charting platform, or can it actually run your entire trading strategy? Let's break that down. This is FinTech Bot Focused, where we cover the smartest tools in AI, FinTech, and automated trading. If you're into bots, strategy building, and taking control of your trades, hit subscribe. Now, TradingView is everywhere. It's one of the most used platforms in technical trading, but there's more to it than just clean charts. What really gives it power is PineScript, TradingView's custom scripting language. With it, you can build your own indicators, create trading strategies, set detailed rules, and even run backtests to see how your logic performs over time. So, if you're a DIY trader who likes control, PineScript is a game changer. Here's the thing though. TradingView doesn't execute trades by itself. There's no built-in broker integration. To fully automate, you'll need to use webhooks or connect to tools like TradersPost, AutoView, or other third-party platforms that can bridge the gap. So yes, it's powerful, but it's not out-of-the-box automation. Let's talk features. The free version is great to get started, but if you want more alerts, higher backtest precision, or multiple scripts, you'll want to upgrade. The charting tools? Some of the best available, responsive, highly customizable, and packed with indicators. And the community is massive. Thousands of scripts and strategies published by real traders. You can study them, remix them, or plug them right into your own workflow. So what's the bottom line? If you want to build and control your own strategy logic, TradingView is a fantastic tool. Just remember, you'll need external tools to go fully automated. Quick question for you. Are you coding in PineScript? Are you using alerts to trigger real trades? Let us know in the comments. What's working for you and what's not? And before you go, if you've got a bot running or a strategy built in PineScript, upload your trade logs to our free AI bot trade analyzer. It'll break down your performance, analyze your edge, and help you spot what to improve. Links in the description. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more no-fluff tools and tech that are shaping the future of trading. Catch you in the next one.